Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to connect the USB to my Samsung Smart TV. As you can see on my hand, I have my USB 8 GB, and I already input some music and video into this USB. Okay, now you can see on my USB I have some video and MP3. Okay, and now I try to put the USB into the TV. Okay, now you can see is the USB device master rack is connected, and you just press okay, it's time out, so I need to plug the USB again. So you need to press confirm before this manual is disappear. And now you can see there are many music on my USB as I saw on the computer. So now I want to find the video. So here we have some video. Okay, so that means you can play the USB on your TV. You just input your USB into the USB port and then select any file that you want to play, and it will display on your TV. Okay, thank you everyone for your time watching this short video of how you can play USB to your Samsung Smart TV. And thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.